Sanatan Dharma is a term used to describe the eternal, universal, and ancient spiritual path that is commonly identified with Hinduism. The word Sanatan means eternal, and Dharma refers to the natural law, duty, or the right way of living. Together, Sanatan Dharma means eternal law or eternal order. Sanatan Dharma is not based on the teachings of a single prophet or a fixed set of scriptures. Instead, it is a vast, evolving spiritual tradition that developed over thousands of years in the Indian subcontinent. It is believed to be timeless, without a specific beginning or end, and rooted in the cosmic principles that govern the universe. Core beliefs of Sanatan Dharma. 1. Dharma, duty and righteousness. Every being has a role or duty. Dharma, according to their nature, stage in life and social role. Living in harmony with one's dharma is essential for personal and social balance. 2. Karma, action and consequence. Every action has consequences. Good actions lead to positive outcomes and rebirths, while bad actions lead to suffering. Karma shapes one's destiny across lifetimes. 3. Reincarnation and moksha, the soul, Atman, is eternal and goes through cycles of birth, death and rebirth, samsara. The ultimate goal is moksha, liberation from this cycle and union with the divine. 4. God, Brahman, Sanatan Dharma, teaches that there is one supreme reality called Brahman, which is formless and infinite. However, it also allows worship of God in many forms, such as Vishnu, Shiva, Devi, Krishna, and others. In scriptures, key texts include the Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, and Mahabharata. These texts offer spiritual knowledge, moral guidance, and philosophical insight. 6. Yoga and meditation. Sanatan Dharma emphasizes self-realization. Through practices like yoga, meditation, devotion, bhakti, knowledge, jnana, and righteous action, karma yoga. 7. Tolerance and diversity. It respects all paths that lead to truth and allows for multiple beliefs and practices. It teaches that all religions are different paths to the same ultimate reality. Sanatan Dharma today. Sanatan Dharma continues to influence the spiritual and cultural lives of millions, primarily in India and Nepal, but also among global Hindu communities. It teaches timeless values like truth, compassion, nonviolence, and respect for all living beings. In essence, Sanatan Dharma is not just a religion, but a way of life that guides individuals towards spiritual growth, moral living, and unity with the divine.